Okay, Maddie, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, we're going to play our memory game.
Wait.
So.
Spell and move.
Okay, good. All right. Who do we have here?
I spell.
That's right. Who do we have here?
Emma.
Woo! You got it correct. You are a superstar. Ready for another one? Okay, this one's going to be 3. Are you ready?
Cow. Dog. Pig.
Good.
Cow. Dog. Pig.
Oh my goodness, that was awesome. Ready for another one? Ready for another one? Okay.
Cat. Cookies. Bird.
Whew, very good.
Cat. Cookies.
Good.
Bird.
Woo! All right, now we're going to do a tricky one.
Okay.
You ready for a tricky one?
Yes.
Okay. We have a
Cat. Ice bounce. Cake. Hat.
Good. Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Cat. The smell. Cake. Hat.
Very good.
Cat.
Good.
The spell.
Good.
Cake.
Good.
Bird. Hat.
Very good. You are awesome. And I cannot find my easy button, so let's ring the bell. Woo, you're a superstar. Big smile, big ring.